people are looking out for you, but because you're so afraid of whatever past you cannot face, then you paint everybody else as the enemy that you want to fight, while in the real sense, you're fighting whatever past you went through. But then you use that to push away everybody else. You use that to deal with everybody who comes along, even though they have good intention and they want to help you. You think they're your enemies, and so you can never progress, you can never overcome what that reality is. So accept what happened, ask what happened, find a way to face it and triumph over it. Otherwise, we begin to paint our children as the enemies, we begin to paint our friends as enemies, we begin to paint everybody who's looking out for us as enemies. There are more people looking out for you than maybe you may never know. There are more people looking out for you than you may ever know. So unless you are able to see yourself introspectively, accept that you are what you are, find a way to deal with it. Some of us, due to what happened, the paradox in this is that sometimes we are angry at somebody for doing the very thing that we would have been able to do if we were in their position. You, having been raised the way this individual was raised, dealing with whatever monsters they were able to deal with the very exact temperament that they have, you would never have been able to deal with whatever it is that they're dealing with. You'd never have been able to overcome whatever it is that you've been able to overcome. There's no way you'd have been able to honestly come up like they have, so they deserve some credit, and so do you for being able to deal with whatever it is you're dealing with. So sometimes we don't give ourselves enough credit. Sometimes we don't give people enough credit for being able to fight whatever it is they're fighting. So find a way to deal with whatever monsters are in your life. Find a way to accept yourself for who you are and not pretend to be what you're not in order for you to feel good about yourself, or in order for you to be able to attack somebody else.